Mama's pretty girl. Huh? Mama's pretty happy girl. Hi. Hello. You're so happy this morning, huh? So happy. Meadow pants. Meadow bunnies. What are you looking at? Are you looking at yourself in your mirror? Look at you. Who is that pretty girl in the mirror? Who is that? Who is that? Is that your little friend? Your little friend in the mirror? You're so cute. You're wearing your big old mittens to keep your hands warm, huh? Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.